Hey everyone, I must have cut it out one of that. Oops. But enjoy the video. But here's how to make a nice and cool Kool-Aid in a picture. No, not this picture. This picture. I just have to edit now. Here's how to do it. Like in a hot sunny day, and to make sure that your children doesn't go too hard on that Kool-Aid that you just made. Oh, if you also saw this, also if you just saw the chain of my necklace, like and subscribe. And I know this might be weird, but first get a picture. No, not this picture. The other picture. No, not that picture again. It's kind of like a cylinder. Yeah, it's kind of like a cylinder picture. Like that holds water. Fill that up. Yeah, fill that cylinder picture up. No, not this picture. Just whatever, like, of those cylinder pictures are. No, not this picture. God. Goodness. Yeah, just fill it up with water. Then get sugar. Yeah, sugar. If you have one of those, like 1 cup measuring cup, like that 1 cup measuring cup, just scoop that or fill that to the top. Make sure it's even-ish. Then you pour it in. And if you have Kool-Aid packets, go for it. Like, get that. If you just have those Kool-Aid things, like this, it's like one of those little, like, big cups that has a ton of, like, of those Kool-Aid. Just get that. Yeah, just get like 3 spoons. Yeah, that kind. But just a bit, like a big spoon. Then, like, jump it in. Then dump that spoon in. Then find a mixer or mixing spoon or something and mix that. Mix it well. Then congratulations. You had made Kool-Aid for summer. I know it just sounds weird, but yeah. Like and subscribe, please. I just had finally realized that many of you do not like and subscribe. Like that one video. So yeah, like and subscribe, please. Thank you.